vegetabilis name. C for cucumber. 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 C for cucumber. 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 Cucumber is a vegetable. C for capsicum. 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 C for capsicum. 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 Capsicum is a vegetable. D for drumstick. 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 C for drumstick. 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 Drumstick is a vegetable. P for potato. Potato. P for potato. Potato. Potato is a vegetable. P for pumpkin. Pumpkin. P for pumpkin. 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 P for pumpkin. Pumpkin. Pumpkin is a vegetable. C for cauliflower. Cauliflower. C for cauliflower. Cauliflower. C for cauliflower. C for carrot. Carrot. C for carrot. Carrot. C for carrot. Carrot. Carrot is a vegetable. C for cabbage. Cabbage. C for cabbage. Cabbage. Cabbage is a vegetable. C for cucumber. Cucumber. C for cucumber. Cucumber. C for capsicum. Capsicum. C for capsicum. Capsicum. D for drumstick. Drumstick. P for potato. Potato. P for pumpkin. Pumpkin. C for cauliflower. Cauliflower. C for carrot. Carrot. Carrot is a vegetable. C for cabbage. Cabbage. Cabbage is a vegetable. So cucumber, capsicum, drumstick, potato, pumpkin, cauliflower, carrot, cabbage. C for cucumber. C for capsicum. D for drumstick. D for potato. D for pumpkin. C for cauliflower. C for carrot. C for cabbage. Here are some vegetables named. Thank you so much for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. Bye.